Hi guys, welcome to another series of Ebony Multi-Ventures. On today's series, I'll be sharing with you this fried rice recipe. Let's get started. Firstly, I'll be frying all my chopped vegetables. Stir fry for a few minutes. Just avoid burning. I added giant green corn. Why I added it last was because it was already soft and I don't want it to be too soft, over soft. That's why I added it last. And after that, we fry for about 2 to 3 minutes and pack. After frying all these vegetables, I'll be parboiling my rice. Add hot water to the pot. Add unwashed rice and boil for about 5 minutes. After boiling, wash and set aside. Make sure it is drained. And after that, put a clean pot on the fire. Add salted butter, just a little. After that, add your chopped onions. Stir fry for a few minutes. Add chicken stock water. After that, add turmeric powder. I added turmeric powder to this just to bring out the color of the fried rice. Add fried rice spice. Add curry and thyme. Add salt. Add your seasoning cube. Boil for a few seconds and add your parboiled rice. Stir together and add water if necessary. Add water. Stir again and cover for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the rice is done and I will be adding all my fried vegetables. Check the quantity of the salt and seasoning cube you have. Add all chopped vegetables and stir together again. Add chopped fried liver. and cover for few minutes, and voila, your fried rice is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.